No! Hey guys, it's Tiff. What is freaking up, you guys? Oh my gosh, it's been a hot second since I filmed a video like this. And for today's video, I'm gonna be doing my Instagram followers control what I eat in a day. I can never figure out what I want to eat. And today, I just want someone else to figure out what I should eat. And so I figured I would let you guys control what I eat in a day. So if you guys like these types of videos, give me a huge thumbs up. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe. And if you guys haven't been following me on my Instagram account, make sure you guys do. It's at MissTiffanyMa. I don't know why I'm sitting on my bed. I'm very comfortable. I can sit here all day, but I really need to head to the kitchen. Let's go. Alright, so it's time for breakfast right now. I'm gonna ask you guys on Instagram. I'm kind of in between granola or oatmeal. So I just asked you guys on Instagram. I'm just gonna wait 5 minutes. I think I'm gonna feed Zoe in the meantime, and then I'll see what you guys say. Hi, baby. You ready for food? Let's go. Alright, Zoe. So this is what her dog food looks like. Girl. If you guys hear weird noises, it's because the gremlin is eating. So I waited about 5 minutes, and let's see what won. Okay, granola won by 59% versus 41%. So we are eating granola. I'm kind of happy about that. So I'm in the granola. We have some low-fat granola, and we need a bowl. And I have almond milk or regular milk. I feel like I should ask you guys what I should have. So I'm gonna ask you guys on Instagram if I should have almond milk or regular milk with my granola. I was so hungry, I might just wait literally 30 seconds and see like what wins.
2 very boring minutes later.
Darn it, are you kidding? It's been a full 2 minutes. I just checked. Almond milk is winning by 66 freaking percent. No! Luckily, I have 1 spoon left. All right, I'm ready to eat. We got our granola. Cheers. Almond milk, not bad. Granola is done. So I finished my granola. The next thing we're gonna do is grocery shopping. Either I can go to Ralph's or Food for Less. So I'm gonna ask you guys on Instagram. I'm gonna have my friend Matt come over later and we're gonna cook dinner together. All right, so I'm gonna head to the door really soon. But before I do that, I need to figure out which store I should go to.
2 hours later.
A little update here. It's been 2 freaking hours. So let's see what you guys chose. Let's see. Yay! Okay, so 63% of you guys chose Ralph's. So earlier I texted my friend Matt just to see what he wanted to cook tonight, and it was between tofu, which I kind of don't want to eat, or salmon, which I'm so down for. I'm hoping you guys are on my side and choose salmon. I can't remember the last time I just had tofu for like dinner. We do a boomerang. These always feel really awkward to do on camera. So tonight I'm going to be cooking dinner, and I can't decide if I should make myself tofu or salmon, so let me know down below. I have a feeling salmon's gonna win, but maybe you guys might surprise me.
15 minutes later.
We're at Ralph's. Can you see how big this package of strawberries are? It's only $2. I need to stay focused because I can easily just buy a ton of stuff. I asked you guys on Instagram if I should make myself some tofu or salmon. Yay! Salmon is winning 72% versus 28%. I'm so excited because I was not looking forward to tofu. So I'm totally deviating from the plan. I am currently in the cookie and chips aisle. This is such a dangerous aisle. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. We got the goods. I am super hungry right now. I think I want to go to In-N-Out or Shake Shack. So I'm going to ask you guys on Instagram what I should have. Hopefully you guys choose Shake Shack. I know, unpopular opinion, but I personally like Shake Shack. So it's been like 20 minutes since I asked you guys if I should have Shake Shack or In-N-Out, and of course, In-N-Out won, so we're going to In-N-Out. In-N-Out is at 71% and Shake Shack's at 29%. My heart, you guys, let me know if you guys are a Shake Shack or an In-N-Out fan. I can't believe so many of you guys like In-N-Out. We are here. I am so ready. Holy cow, there's so many people here. Can I get a hamburger with onions? So I got my ketchup. Does anyone else put black pepper in their ketchup? If you haven't tried it yet, try it. It's so good. This is so good. I got my In-N-Out burger. I'm so freaking excited and happy.
1 hour later.
Guess who got all her groceries? Oh my gosh, I got so much stuff. So my friend Matt is coming over pretty soon, and honestly, I'm kind of full from In-N-Out. Holy freaking cow, In-N-Out was so amazing. I always forget how good In-N-Out is, but now we are gonna make salmon, and I'm just like, how the heck am I gonna eat the salmon when I just pigged out? I really want to drink one of these right now, and I'm gonna need to ask you guys for permission to drink this. I'm so excited. Alright, so I'm gonna ask you guys if I should drink this or not, and then I'll be back in a couple minutes when Matt is here.
A few minutes later.
Guess who's here? Meet my friend Matt.
What's up?
Hello. Do you know what's going on?
No.
Okay, I am making my followers control my life.
That's
but
dangerous.
They're controlling my what I eat today. The last thing I said was I wanted to drink this. This is a probiotic drink. Okay, but we got 86% saying yes. Cheers.
It's like yogurt. Apparently I'm a good cook, so.
You're really good. Like hands down one of the best. Would you open a restaurant ever?
Yeah, I've been in the restaurant industry my whole life. Zoe and I are matching. We actually coordinated.
We're all matching. What's going on? Okay.
So let's cut all the stuff that we need to.
All right, we need the cutting board.
We need to cut the Brussels sprouts in half. Let's have you do that, and then you'll be on shallot duty because Tiffany can actually cut onions and shallots super thin, which is super impressive.
Are you crying?
It's been a rough day.
It's been a rough day.
Yeah.
Cutting shallots. Have you ever tried a shallot raw?
No, I'm not a psycho.
Are you kidding? Just try one.
I'll try a little piece.
Does it taste like an onion?
Not something you should do. Not a fan.
No. Dinner is served. Holy freaking cow. Matt, are you kidding me? So Matt made a caprese salad. He also made salmon with lemon, some shallots, Brussels sprouts. Oh my gosh. Yay, we get to finally eat. I feel like I've been waiting for this forever.
I feel the same.
Oh my god.
That is really good. I did pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I would give myself 8.2
Oh, okay.
out of 10.
I would have said like 9 out of 10.
Really? You see, you're being too nice.
We're being honest
Yeah,
here.
let's be completely honest. Tell me what's up.
Everything's really good.
Oh! There we go. You heard it right here, folks.
Alright guys, update time. We finished our food. I asked you guys earlier if I should either eat a whole habanero or a whole lemon. And I feel like habanero is gonna win, and I'm kind of not excited about that.
Oh.
What? What? You guys, how did lemon win?
That means I have to eat the habanero now?
Yeah. Yes. They were so nice to me. Yay.
Maybe they just don't know. Is this gonna suck?
I don't know. There's like ice cream in the fridge. I get the lemon.
I'm stuck with the habanero.
Ew.
Bad.
How was it?
It's not that bad. I can handle it. I'll eat the whole thing. Well, the seeds are really the bad.
My face. You actually ate it.
It's not that bad.
Really?
I love spicy food.
Go like this. That makes it 20 times worse.
Wow. Rude. Thought you were on my team.
No.
I got this. Woo. Got me a little like dizzy, just a tiny bit.
Are you kidding me? You should grab some water.
I just want the
Yes.
ice cream. My like nose, I shouldn't have blown my nose. Pro tip, should have learned from Tiffany.
I know. It's because I did the spicy noodle challenge, which was intense, and I was literally crying. Insert clip of me screaming right here. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Just 2 more if you want to try it again.
No, it's your turn.
No.
Go.
Oh my god! Are you kidding me? Oh my god! I am not fun!
No?
Are you kidding me?
What? Is it really that painful for you?
Yeah!
Let's see the damage control. This is hers. Ready? You tell me. Are you okay?
No.
That'll help. No? I'm sorry, I have to laugh. You want a spoonful of Cool Whip? Ready?
Now, please, no, please just give it to me.
Ready? Go. There you have it, folks. Habanero, lemon, down the drain.
I think I have survived. Now it's time for dessert. What are our options for dessert?
Only one option.
I'm gonna ask you guys on Instagram if we should eat it raw or baked. Honestly, I'm coming down for either way.
Later.
You're eating it raw already, I can see it.
It's the only way. Yeah.
It's like nice and gooey. 46% raw, 54% said baked, so baked won.
11 minutes later.
Yeah.
All right, our cookies cooled down. Holy cow, I'm so excited for cookies.
Cheers.
Oh, good. Thanks for coming over and cooking.
Of course. Next time you're cooking for me.
There's a next time? Alright guys, so I think that's it with today's video. I'm gonna finish the rest of my cookie. I'm so happy. The food was great today. Thank you guys so much for like picking out what I'm eating. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, make sure you guys do at MissTiffanyMa. Huge shout out to Matt for cooking dinner for us. Oh my god, it was so good. I like want to do it again. Yeah.
Next time I'm bringing over groceries.
Okay.
Mystery bag of groceries.
Like chopped?
She has to cook it all herself.
You're gonna be shook. Okay, let me know down below if I should film this episode of Chopped. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Bye guys.
Bye.